Ms. Cecilia Angeles de la Peña and Ms. Regina D. Enta, the heads of the ANSA, Mr. Apolinario M. Labi Jr. and Ms. Rosalinda B. Estinola, our very supportive advisors, Ms. Joanne M. Honrada and Mrs. Elizabeth C. Mercado, the rest of the faculty, guests, dear parents and guardians, and fellow candidates for graduation, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Graduation is one of the most, if not the most, momentous occasion in a person's lifetime. Here he recognizes that he has reached the mountaintop and he is to reap the fruit of all his hard work, the sleepless nights, and the sweat and tears he offered. This accomplishment signifies our ability to attain our goals, whatever obstacles there may be. This event also leads us to a crossroad of new world opportunities. We came through a whirlwind of failures and successes. Failures, which tested our beliefs and damped our hearts out, and successes, which kept the ball rolling and served as motivation to never give up. Our graduation also signifies that we embody Systems Plus Computer College's vision, which is to see its graduates as total persons. We shall be catalyzers who are service-oriented and are ready to serve the needs of the industry and the country as a whole. This is the product of the knowledge that our beloved teachers instilled on us throughout the course of our stay here at SPCC. Drastic changes is also a staple of this journey. Here we had a lot of firsts, and those firsts will of course be very memorable, such as the first performances, first comic lines during the album, first crushes, first courtships, first loves, among others. Some of us also had a chance to be artists, singers, and dancers during performances and projects, even the frustrated ones. We continue to believe in our dreams from day one to this point forward. A lot of drama have also developed in this very memorable adventure. There have been many different occasions such as ended friendships, breakups, misunderstandings, and such. Being a class president for 3 years and the SSG president for this past school year also created moments where I had some arguments with my classmates. It created such an uncomfortable atmosphere between some of us, which added the pressure of the schoolwork. And today, we must recognize that our hunger for knowledge should not end at this moment. Graduation commences a new beginning for us. It is just a certain point in attaining knowledge, but there is the continuous need to learn as the world drastically changes through time. Let us not be satisfied with the knowledge during our basic education, as some things are learned by experience. And as we march out of this generation to a world full of opportunities, challenges, and temptations, and as we traverse the new path we chose to take, we must be very mindful of what we might become sometime in the future. Although most of us already have their eyes set on the roads they want to walk on, let us first have this time to look back to the great memories and savor this once in a few years moment. And as we continue these commencement exercises, let us all first divert our attentions for a while and reminisce all the moments we shared. Thank our parents, teachers, friends, and colleagues. Reward ourselves for all the effort we exerted and congratulate each other in reaching a milestone this big. I would personally want to congratulate and say good luck to each and every one of us as we start a new journey and face a new reality. Thank you and good afternoon.